I travelled with a man called the Doctor.
Listen. So all of time and all of space is sitting out there. This is the gateway to everything that ever was, or ever can be. Make your choice.
What choice?
Your choice. Wherever, whenever, anywhere in time and space.
I don't know. That one. Oh my God. Emoji. It speaks emoji.
You are her hero.
You go places, I can tell. My mum always said, with some people, you can smell the wind in their clothes.
When did you start believing in impossible heroes?
Don't you know?
I'm not a hero. Why are you here? Why are you still here?
Because I am not going to leave you in danger!
So I'm not going to leave you.
That the Doctor will save us?
The Doctor, he helps people.
And when you say it, do you believe it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Clara, I can't help you.
Why is it up to me?
Because it can't be up to me. Your people, your planet I serve, at the pleasure of the human race, and right now that's you. The Earth is my home, the moon's not mine, huh? Sorry. Oh, that was me allowing you to make a choice about your own future.
You walk our Earth, Doctor. You breathe our air.
This is my world, too. That was me respecting you. I walk your Earth, I breathe your air. Human progress isn't measured by industry. It's measured by the value you place on a life. That's what defines an age. That's what defines a species. Humanity is doomed to never learn from its mistakes.
Well, I guess that's part of our charm.
No, it's really quite annoying.
Why'd you put up with us then?
In amongst 7 billion is someone like you. That's why I put up with the rest of them.
You're never small to me. Don't make assumptions about how far I will go to protect them, because I've already come a very long way.
I am the Doctor. There have been many attempts to conquer the Earth. I've lost count. I am what stands between you and them. I've been standing by the gates of your world, keeping you all safe since you crawled out of the slime. I'm not stopping now. That's who I am. I'm the Doctor. You will trust me with your life. I will do everything in my power to save all your lives, and when I do, one day you will look back and wonder who I was, how I helped you.
Pope Benedict said that you were more in need of confession than any man breathing. But when the offer was made, you replied it would take too much time.
Tell me, am I a good man?
I'll see into your soul, Doctor.
The Daleks are evil after all. Everything makes sense. The Doctor is right.
I see hatred.
Have you ever killed anyone?
Yes.
How many?
That's him. Look at him right now. That's who he is.
Don't tell me. You've moved on.
Is that why you call yourself the Doctor? Professional detachment.
You are a good Dalek.
No, you must see more than that. There must be more than that. This face. Why this one? It's like I'm trying to tell myself something. I think I know why I chose it.
Just someone. Just save someone.
Come with me.
I know where I got this face, and I know what it's for. To remind me. To hold me to the mark. I'm the Doctor, and I save people.
Do you do this all the time?
Do what?
Advice and assistance obtainable immediately. You like that?
Do you love it?
That is the sound of your chain being yanked.
You like distress calls?
Why would I?
Because it's what you do. All day, every day.
You don't call the helpline because you are the helpline.
The universe shows its true face. When it asks for help, we show ours by how we respond. And it's time for us to become friends again.
Because he's right. Because it's time to stand with him.
That's the trouble with hope. It's hard to resist.
You okay?
Well, I've got no TARDIS, no Sonic, about 10 minutes oxygen left. And now I'm blind. Can you imagine how unbearable I'm going to be when I pull this off?
Don't do this. You always do this.
Do what?
Make jokes to distract me from whatever's about to kill us.
I'm gonna name a town after you. A really rubbish one.
Oh, I'm counting on it.
And probably a pig.
You're blind.
I am? Oh, well, that explains the bruised shins.
You can be very silly sometimes, you know that?
I am an idiot.
You're an idiot.
You're a bloody idiot. You know that, yeah?
Of course. Everyone knows that.
You're an idiot. You are the stupidest idiot ever!
Let me tell you about scared.
I know you're afraid.
I was too scared.
Scared is good. Funny thing, fear, isn't it? For the record, I, for one, fully understand my weakness. But you've still got to face your beast anyway.
Just promise me one thing. Yeah? Just promise you won't get me killed.
I wanted you back by my side because it's the safest place in the world. I will fix this. I can save you.
I remember you said you could fix this.
Were you right?
Say it. Come on, tell me.
When you wake up, you will have forgotten me. You'll have forgotten we ever even met.
Okay.
I don't think I could ever forget you.
But imagine. Just imagine how it would feel if someone did this to you.
Clara, I don't think you're ever going to have to.
Assuming tonight is all we have left.
I didn't say that.
Doctor, it wasn't your fault. You couldn't have saved her.
This is my choice.
I let you get reckless.
Why? Why should I be so reckless? You're reckless. All the bloody time.
Whose fault was that? Huh? You took it upon yourself to ignore me, to do what you thought was best. Clara, you didn't.
You have nothing, Doctor. Nothing.
It's not fair. Clara, it's just not fair. Why can't I just lose?
4.5 billion years. I was dead and gone. Why? Why would you even do that to yourself?
I had a duty of care. Stop being brave.
Let me be brave.
Can't bear brave people.
If this is the last I ever see of you, please.
I don't want our last conversation to be this.
Not like this.
I don't want this to be our last conversation.
Goodbye, Doctor.
Goodbye, Doctor.
But I had to say goodbye.
Is it a sad song?
Nothing's sad till it's over. This is it, I'm afraid. So if there's anything real to be saying.
Can't think of anything.
These have been the best years of my life, and they are mine.
This is the most exciting thing that's ever happened to me in my life.
Traveling with you made me feel really special.
Thank you for exactly the same. I'm so sick of losing. When I close my eyes! Without hope. Sick of losing people. I don't know what to do with all that pain. Without witness. And I'm alone now. Hold it tight! Without reward. Till it burns your hand. And you say this. No one else will ever have to live like this. No one else will ever have to feel this pain.
You would destroy yourself at the same time.
Well, that's a price worth paying, isn't it? I'm not doing this because I want to beat someone, or because I hate someone, or because I want to blame someone. You are monsters. That is the role you seem determined to play, so it seems that I must play mine. The man that stops the monsters. I do what I do because it's right, because it's decent. And above all, it's kind. I forgive you. After all you've done, I forgive you. Just kind.
Sir, with respect, I'm worried about your plan.
Plan? What plan?